Welcome back to Donslife, welcome to the channel. You might remember we installed a carbon fiber aftermarket steering wheel from Z Innovations in my GMC Sierra with a big help from you, if I recall.
Huge help,
Huge help, huge muscles. In that video, I did a detailed installation on how to replace your steering wheel. So if you want that type of reference, I'll leave a link up here or a pop-up, but it'll also be linked in the video description below. You may recall if you watched that video that everything went pretty smooth, especially with her help, but we installed the wrong steering wheel. Well, sort of. So we got a new one here. Z Innovations sent it over. Actually, you're gonna swap them out.
Oh, well, it might be done wrong.
Let's go. So let me explain this wrong steering wheel scenario. So here's the steering wheel here. As you can see, it looks amazing. Feels amazing too. But there's a small gap here. That's because this is for the Chevy Silverado. This is a GMC Sierra. So it was just a minor mistake, a minor mishap. We got the right one here now. So we're gonna swap this out so we get the right fitment. And we need to address this. Why is this giant oversized hydration device in my cup holder?
Because we always gotta hydrate. Hey, did you notice that before?
What, they match? Or they
match.
They have a lot of food particles and bacteria on them?
Yeah, both.
Both? Okay, let's open this up and see what the difference is.
Okay.
Now, I've already opened it to make sure it wasn't damaged, and it's not.
Still a surprise in the box.
Don't wreck the box, because I'm gonna need it later. Now take the protection off. Well, that's kind of what we did to have all those kids.
That's the problem. Pretty nice. I'm guessing this is the spot.
Yeah, let's go compare it. Yeah, so this
Oh,
angle,
yeah, it's an angle there that,
and this notches down.
yeah, cool.
So this should follow that angle better.
Yeah, I can see that.
Otherwise, it's identical. Now, I could have opted for the red stripe like my Corvette has and the red stitching, but because I'm always wrapping my truck and doing different things, I played it safe and I just went for the same style. No stripe, no red stitching, we got the black stitching. That's okay. I really like how this looks. I'm gonna love how that looks. Okay, so I think we're ready for the install. First, you're gonna disconnect the battery. You'll need this.
In the truck?
Yeah.
What? I can't even reach in the truck. I need a ladder.
Well, you better get a stool.
I'm literally eye level with this.
You know, I'm just trying to show people how easy this install is,
Okay.
and you're not helping.
I can do it.
Just kidding, she's very, very capable. There'll be no mishaps, there'll be no random sounds.
I can't get electrocuted.
No extra enthusiasm. I will make sure you do not get electrocuted.
Okay.
Sorry, this is extremely crowded. There's that nut right there.
There's a nut in there? On my angle, I cannot
Can you see it?
No. Oh, I have to get this in there?
Well, you could turn it like that.
Oh my God.
Just don't start squeezing the trigger until you get it on there.
I can't. You got too many cables in here.
No such thing.
I have to go under? Can I go under?
I'll help you seat it. Do you want a longer extension?
No.
Okay, there's a bigger extension for you.
Okay. Like all these cables are just in the way. I can't get an angle. Oh, I think I'm on. How do I know?
Okay.
Oh, I'm on.
There.
And I just push the button?
Yeah, just a little bit. We're just loosening it. More.
Oh.
You got it. You got it. More. That's good.
Did I do it?
Now we'll try and lift it off.
Did we really do it though?
I'll try and lift it off. I don't think you loosened it. Oh yeah, you did.
Oh, did I?
Yep.
Okay.
Now I'm just gonna put a rag there so it doesn't like seat itself.
Okay. Isn't this the battery?
That's my switch panel.
It looks like a battery.
Okay.
Or it's the shape of a battery.
Okay, step one done.
Done.
Next.
Okay.
We know we're disconnected because there's no light on the hood light we installed. Okay, crawl up in the truck. Actually, you don't need to crawl up, I guess. You need to take this side panel off there. I can do it with my nails.
Well, I can't.
But I don't want
do
you
it
to
with
break
my
a nail.
nails. Like in
so
here?
just, yep, pry that out, and then it pulls.
Well, I can get my nail in there.
You can do the other side now. And let's just put our parts up there.
Other side?
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh, okay.
Put your parts up here. Once it's backed out, it should just pull.
Okay. Up there?
Yep. Okay, so there's a little bolt in there. Tell me what size you think that is. How many millimeters?
10 millimeters.
Good job.
It has a number 10 on it.
I didn't notice that.
It's got a number 10.
Well played.
I just guessed.
Well played. Hold it firm.
Is it?
Keep going.
Am I doing it?
Yeah. Okay, that's good. Now the other side.
Look at me go.
Okay, give me that so you don't hurt yourself anymore. Now you want to pull the horn off gently. Okay, and just kind of, yes, now we got to undo these harnesses. So these are a little tricky. See these little orange tabs?
Yeah.
They lift up, but you need to lift up both at the same time. So I'll get a little tool.
Okay.
And I'll do one side, you do the other side. That'll work, but they're fragile, so you don't want to put a lot of pressure. So I'll get something for that. And then for this, you need to pull out the lock. See how I pulled it out?
Yeah, I know. I've seen those.
And then the tab. So just wait for me. Let me get some tools.
Okay. Wouldn't it be just easier to use my nails?
Well, if you think so, I just don't want, if you break a nail and it's my fault, then I won't hear the end of it.
Well, you just gotta buy me new nails.
Okay, I'm doing this side, you do the other side.
They're both up.
Okay, so now you gotta pull the plug up too, like kind of wiggle it and twist it at the same time.
That's impossible.
Is your end going up like mine?
It's all the way up. Oh,
that's it.
Got it.
Okay, and then I'll help you on this side. There.
Nice. Oh, they're pink and purple.
Yeah, perfect, hey?
Mm-hmm. Oh, out.
And then this little button here. Go in and now pull it. There.
Nice.
Your airbag is now off, or your horn airbag, whatever you want to call it. Okay, you remember this part?
Oh no, that was
What size is that?
8?
No.
8.8?
It starts with a T. It doesn't, there's no giveaways on this one.
It says 8.8.
It's a T something.
A T something?
Try this T45. Now it's got to fit snug because this is how people strip these things.
No, that's not snug. I can twist it in there.
It's a little off.
Ha, you were wrong too. Maybe it's a T80.
All right. T50. You're all sassy.
That looks better. Yeah, that's better.
Okay.
It barely wiggles.
Okay, we're gonna use a breaker bar today. Last time this wasn't that tight. I don't think we really need this much torque, but your job is gonna be to hold that in there tight and hold the wheel with one hand, because I'm recording.
What am I doing?
You're just holding the wheel. No, don't hold the wrench. I'm doing that.
Okay, so
But I want you to maybe push it in with your, yeah, that's what I want you to do. I'm holding the camera. There we go.
It didn't snap like the last time.
No, that was the car. This one never did, remember?
Oh, okay.
We got it.
The car sounded like something was breaking.
So I'll get you something to loosen that.
I think you're gonna have to do this on a time lapse, because speed it up a little. It's probably not that interesting.
Okay, before we take the wheel off, we're gonna have to undo this harness. So grab that pick tool. You're gonna pull that the red lock towards you. Be very careful, we don't wanna wreck a wire.
You're
Can you
trusting
see
me
it
to do
okay?
this? Yeah. Are you trusting me to do this? I can't
want me
see
to
with
do
your
it?
thumb in the way.
Okay, it's out.
Is there like some tab? Nope.
Yeah, it's just this button on the bottom. Just so we can show the audience here. This yellow pushes in once the lock's out. But that's it. Now you can pull the steering wheel off straight towards you. There we go.
I did it.
Okay, here we are at the bench. We need to take this back housing off. This screwdriver, this T15, is for those two screws. This one, the T20, is for all the others. So if you want to start loosening those off,
Okay.
I've laid this cloth here so we can kind of keep track of where the screws go. So if those are the two furthest to the right, so I'd probably put them like there. At least that's my system. You don't have to follow that.
Well, if I don't, it'll be so unorganized.
You're more chaotic.
Yeah. They just go where they go, and then you got to figure it out later.
I'll help a little bit here. Fun, hey?
No. Oh. Do I got to do the, ooh.
Okay, careful. There's stuff on it. And so we got to take this out. See how there's like a backing clip?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so we got to remember that when we go to put it back together. And then those have to be unhooked as well. So these are ways just to slide it off the bottom here, so.
You got to push these back down and
Yeah, they'll
lock
just
them?
snap back into place, no problem.
There, I could do that.
So the connectors on here are a little bit delicate. I don't want you to feel bad if you break a nail or break one of those tabs. I'll handle that.
Okay.
So this is kind of the fidgety part, but you just want to make sure all the plugs are kind of fed through in the right areas.
I'm glad you're doing this and not me.
Yeah, that's okay. If you take a picture beforehand, you can always refer to the picture to see how everything was laid. But most of it's already done. And then this is for our heated steering wheel, the element. Okay, so as long as this stuff presses in nice.
Look at that, no gap.
You're right, no gap.
No gap.
Okay, these are out there. So a couple minutes of finagling later, everything looks like it's lined up and out of harm's way. So now we should be able to start screwing it together.
My job?
Sure. Only 4 screws left.
Okay.
You got this. I don't risk that because I'm not as tough as you, but
Yeah, I'm so tough.
you are really good at that.
I was waiting for a comment. Who needs power tools when you got me?
Okay, hold it up and let us see it. Hold it towards me.
Ooh, look at that. So nice.
Look at you, you did it. You got no gaps.
Nope.
Sides look good, flip it around. Yeah, it looks good. These lips are overhangs, so in case people are wondering what they're seeing there. And most importantly,
It fits to the
nice and
edge.
flush. It's too bad because I was always playing with that with my thumb. That's okay. Okay, let's put it in.
Okay.
Okay, before you get too enthusiastic, this is keyed. So you see that little, see the opening, the circle?
This?
Yeah, there's a little line at the bottom. You see that? Point to it so I just know you see it. Yes. Okay.
Trust me.
So I'll hold this so you can get in. And you can see on the bottom,
That little
there's a key.
notch.
So you want to line those up. You might just have to twist it ever so slightly. Yeah, we don't want to strip it. So, yeah.
It's not quite. Oh, it's not quite.
Okay, we want to fix that then. Now's the time to do it. So it might end up
Oh.
being keyed a little to one side more than the other.
So I probably had it right the first time.
You might have.
Like that. It's
Yeah.
done. I had it right at the beginning.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay, push that in. Yeah, should click. Okay, and then the lock is in.
Is that red
Yeah,
button?
yeah, that's in. Good, good, good. And now the horn, the cover, the airbag.
Ooh.
Perfect. Look at, you could do this for a living.
No. I like my nails.
You can always tell like the red wire. Oh, look at, you got it. You're natural. Now,
Do I have to do anything with these orange buttons?
nope, they're good. Okay, we almost forgot to put this in. So we're so excited. I'm just gonna put a little bit of thread locker on here. I'll grab a rag too, because I don't want it to get on your clothes. Should be safe now. Yeah.
Do I gotta flip this thing?
Yes, you do. Okay, you hold the camera.
Wait.
I don't want to scratch anything with this airbag. Okay, that's good. That should slide in pretty nice. How are you making out there?
I think I got it.
Going good?
Yeah.
Now we got our covers. Well, my dear, you did it. Did your first steering wheel swap.
Mrs. Donslife channel?
Mostly by yourself. If there's a Mrs. Donslife channel, I'll be the first subscriber.
Okay.
Okay, now we just need to connect the battery. I'll sit it back on there.
Oh, there's lights.
There is light.
I can't get my nails in there.
Try to do a test spin.
Yeah.
Yeah, just make sure it's on there. Nice.
Yeah.
It looks like it is. That's good. Good.
Oh, it's stuck.
Oh, you really
I really did it.
All right. Well, good job there. Hey, do you know what this is for?
Is it a thermometer?
It's for that.
Oh, for your winch?
Yeah, it's the on-off switch.
It had numbers.
Next time you get stuck in the Starbucks drive-thru, that's how you turn the winch on.
I have never been stuck in the Starbucks drive-thru.
I was going to let you close the hood, but you wouldn't reach.
Do you remember that time that you got
Well, great job on the install.
Thanks.
Aren't we proud of her? Put something in the comments below
kind of fun.
of just how awesome she is. Anyway,
I'm a good sport.
So what are we going to do with the old wheel? We are actually going to send it to another automotive YouTuber. You may have heard of him, Zach with Zach Attack Customs. So Zach, we are sending this to you. Well, actually, Mrs. Donslife is going to send it to you because I trust her to do a better job than I would. But when you get it and you put it in your vehicle, in your Silverado, and you do your video, let us know what you think of it.
It gets nice and warm.
It gets super, super warm. We're kind of coming out of winter now, so I probably won't use the heated feature that often, but she would use the heated feature in the hottest days of summer, so it might still get used.
Yeah.
If you want to get yourself one, I'll leave a link in the video description below. Use the promo code DonsCarbon to save yourself some money. And what do we say?
If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button.
You're so close.
Oh, I'm so close. What is it again? If you like this video, hit that like button and please consider subscribing. I did it.
There we go.
I did it.
And we'll talk to you next time.
Oh my God, I did it. I was so close the first time.